Okay, so octave sign, rewrite a single note using the octava sign to avoid ledger lines,
Mm-hmm.
right? So do you remember seeing like if a flute player has extremely high notes, they may notate it down here and then say ABA. So the flute player knows to play it up here even though they're reading down here,
Mm-hmm.
right? That's what they're looking for here. So start, okay, so this note here, and so you have a choice. So place the note and then the octave sign. So this is a note they want to hear.
Yeah.
So I could place it here on the
Mm-hmm.
B, and then I would have to say play it an octave lower.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And then submit, place the octave sign. Oh, you have to place it. Okay. Okay, fine. So good. So that way the flute player or the whoever's performing this, they see this, but they would perform it down here. Does that make sense?
We must put one octave upper.
You get a choice.
Uh-huh.
You can do it. Basically, they want this to be the note. They want this B note, this B3.
It's up to us.
It's up to you. They want this the note to be sounded. So I could put it up here and say 8VB
Uh-huh.
to say play it an octave lower, or I could have gone down here and put the B down here, and then put 8VA, play it an octave higher. So your choice.
It's higher, no lower. No?
Well, no, it's this one is written higher, but because it says 8VB, you play it lower.
Uh-huh.
Now, if I had chosen this B down here and I put B2,
Uh-huh.
I would have to put B2, then I would have to say 8VA
Uh-huh.
to play it higher.
Uh-huh.
So let's try another one. Continue. Okay. So this note is really low down here. So we have an A. Okay, so this is C3, this is C2, so this is A1, way down there. So I'm going to go up here and put an A here, and then choose 8VB again, and place it here. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, that is correct. That is correct. And submit, and we're good. This one here, so what do you think?
We must choose these.
D3 here.
Yeah, D3
And
here,
then?
yeah, and choose these.
Now, if you choose this one, you're saying to play it an octave lower.
Uh-huh.
You really want to tell them play it an octave higher. So you would choose 8VA. Okay? Because this tells them you're reading it here, but I want you to play it up here. That makes sense? And then submit, and that's okay.
Uh-huh.
Continue. This one here, it's too high,
Uh-huh.
so I want to put it down here. And then I want to tell them to play it an octave higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher.
Oh, I get.
And then I have to actually put it in there. And you always put the bracket above it if it's 8VA or below it if it's 8. See the little angle? That means put it above. If the angle's like this, pointing up, put it below.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
One more.
Sure,
practice,
yeah. Okay, C4. Now this one you have a choice. I mean, you could go up here and say play it an octave lower,
Uh-huh.
or I could go down here and say play it an octave higher.
Uh-huh.
Now, because it's on the bass clef, I'm going to just choose the bass clef one and say play it an octave higher. Then I have to place it and then submit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What else do we have? So, what is the rhythm ones or any other activities?
Phrase beat. Phrase beat. Phrase beat.
Oh, phrase beat. Okay, so rhythm and then phrase beats. I'll do level 1. Okay, calculate the number of beats in the phrase for the given simple 4/4 meter, no rests. Okay. All right, yeah. So, oh yeah, so the total beats is what you're talking about here. Now, so just looking at this, I can say, okay, so I've got a full measure here, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, not quite 8. This is a dotted quarter, we're short. So it would be, 7 3/4 is what we should end up with. And now does this, how this works make sense? The counting thing? So I've got 1 here, and this is going to be E, because this is a 16th. This is going to be 2. It's also going to be 3 4. Now what I'm not clear here is on this E. Do we have to put E and a? I guess we can. We can put all the counts. This is 1, E and a, 2, E and a, 3. You with me so far? Makes sense?
Yeah.
And then 4, E and the only thing I'm not sure is if they wanted me to put an and here also, but let's find out. Yes, they did. They want us to put everything with it. Oh, you know what? They didn't.
Only,
See, but I
only
can't
you
tell.
must put only the name, the number,
Not all the other
yeah.
things. But only for numbers, but not for divisions or subdivisions.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Good to
the,
know.
what about 8?
8 and a half.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is a dotted quarter. I thought it was a dotted quarter. This is, I was thinking a dotted eighth. So 7, 8 and a half. And the dot is half of a half note. So it is 8 and a half.
8, 1.
Not 8 and a half notes.
Uh-huh.
Not 8 and a half notes. It's 8 and a half beats.
Mm-hmm.
So, 4, 5, 6, 7. The quarter note is 8.
Mm-hmm.
And the dot is half of a quarter note or an
Yeah.
eighth note. So half of a beat. So 8 and a half. Yeah, that does make sense. Yeah, this software is new to me too also. So I'm still learning all the little ins and outs of how to put it in precisely how it's looking for it. Does that make better sense?
Yeah, it's what
One more?
maybe one or yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what do we got here? So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and this is also and. Now they're gonna make us put 4 in here or 3. 1 and a 2 and 3 and let's see what they say. 4. Oh, they want 4 in here, but 4's not there. 4 would be here. 2 and 3 and 4. What are they? 2 and 3 and 4. Oh. So it's short. It's shy of the 4th beat. I see.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
7,
Yep.
8.
The figuration here threw me off, which is what they're trying to do. They're trying to trick you. So this is 2 and 3 and 4. This is supposed to be 4. So what's missing is a half note or half beat.
Mm-hmm.
So 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the dot is a half. Yeah, I see what they're doing. Let's try one more here. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and this is 4 E 1 and 2 and 3 E. There we go. 6 3/4.
6.
4, 5, 6, and half a beat. 3/4 of a beat.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5, 6, 7.
It's missing a 16th.
Uh-huh.
Because it's an 8th and a 16th, we're missing a 16th.
Uh-huh.
So
6 and
3/4
3/4.
of a beat.
Uh-huh.
It's weird, all these fraction names.
Yeah.
It's a It's a different way of looking at it. It makes you think through all the values very carefully,
Yeah.
which is what they want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how long do you have time for do every session?
Yeah, so you have as much time as you want. I'm going to go ahead and